In ancient Rome, patterns were made using feathers, applying them to a heated ceramic jug. Decorating ceramic tiles is a very painstaking process that will take a lot of time, but you will get a unique handmade product. A good staircase should always aesthetically fit into any space in a room. Simple movements can eventually create a unique pattern that will be transferred onto fabric. The pedestrian crossing was no longer fulfilling its purpose, so it was decided to create its three-dimensional version, which will definitely make drivers slow down before the markings. There is nothing more magnificent and beautiful than carving valuable wood. A new development in navigation involves a unique propeller blade turning technology that reduces fuel consumption by 30% and increases speed by up to 40%. A road burned using this technology will serve for many years. It's very pleasant to have a delicious dinner, and when the dish is also incredibly beautiful, it's doubly enjoyable. The chef risks burning his hands, but he is a master of his craft, so he always observes safety techniques. You rarely encounter such a sweet and beautiful girl doing hard work harvesting, knee-deep in water. Skillful hands and sticky tape can do a lot. For example, turn an ordinary wall into a masterpiece of unique design perfection. A good way to save on paint is to simply burn a stool and cover it with varnish. Here's a ready-made idea for a business producing designer containers for flowers and plants. You just need not to be lazy. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.